Alright, hi everybody. It's pretty late on Wednesday evening, but I just thought I'd do a quick little video just to give you a bit of an introduction to what the brief is going to be for today's lesson. I'm hoping that you will have all, after last lesson, got to the point where you've got at least one page in your sketchbooks put together something like this. Okay? It's a really loose, exploratory, kind of investigative page of mark making on the theme of your particular project. Okay? And depending on what your theme is, the type of marks that you're using and the kind of quality of mark making that you're making will be different to suit that theme. And what I'd like you to do today, so if you look at the double page in my sketchbook, what I want you to do today is to kind of use that array of marks that you've kind of come up with over here. And what I want you to do is to kind of use that to create what you might think of as an abstract work of art based upon your theme. So on this page over here, if I sort of swoop down and get some close-ups, here I am combining lots of the different types of mark making that I've identified as being relevant to my theme, and I've built this drawing up over time with layers of marks one on top of another, trying to get this idea of things dissolving and shifting. Been taking lines on kind of wandering journeys across the page. Some of those lines are quite solid and permanent, whereas others kind of fade and become more brittle and subtle. So this is the brief for today, and then I guess to finish it off for prep is to create a page in your book which is a kind of abstract representation of your ideas using the marks that you've developed. And you need to take your time with this. You know, this piece of drawing here has taken me about half an hour to do. Alright, each decision carefully thought about, each choice of where to put marks considered. But I'm still kind of allowing accidents to happen and unexpected things to present themselves. I certainly did not start this with a clear image in my head of what the thing was going to look like. What I actually started was scribbling here with the black felt tip pen, and then everything else just kind of grew and developed from that particular point there. So don't fall into the trap of trying to be all preconceived about it. You know, feel okay, feel relaxed, feel good about making things up as they go along. And that's the brief for today. So good luck with it. There'll be an example to have in front of you as well. So I've scanned this page and I've emailed it as well to Ben, who will print out some copies for you so you can have that to look at. But don't forget, I'm not expecting everyone's to look like this. This is my idea on a particular theme. The theme that you're working with is different. Alright, so that's the brief for today. Good luck, and I hope to see you all soon. Okay, good night.